Agaricus blazei mushrooms have a long history of use in traditional medicine for their immune-enhancing, antioxidant, and anti-inflammatory properties. This is now supported in modern scientific research. Let's discuss.
Agaricus blazei mushrooms have a classic mushroom appearance with a convex cap that flattens with maturity. The caps are typically brown in color and can reach sizes of up to 10 centimeters in diameter. The underside of the cap has gills that release spores. The cap is usually brown or reddish brown and becomes lighter toward the edges. The gills on the underside of the cap are initially pink but dark into a brownish color as the mushroom matures. Agaricus blazei mushrooms are native to Brazil, particularly the Piedade or the Sao Paulo region. They grow in subtropical regions with a humid climate. Cultivation has expanded to other parts of the world, including Japan and the United States. Agaricus blazei mushrooms contain several bioactive compounds, including beta-glucan polysaccharides known for their immune-enhancing properties, ergosterol, a precursor to vitamin D, with potential health benefits, proteins, and amino acids important for cellular functions and DNA repair. Antioxidants, which help protect cells from oxidative damage, minerals and vitamins, including potassium, selenium, and vitamin B. Agaricus blazei mushrooms have been used in traditional medicine systems, particularly in Brazilian traditional medicine known as kumalo sol, or sun mushroom. They have been used to promote health and vitality, strengthen the immune system, and treat various ailments. Japanese traditional medicine employed it for its purported immune-enhancing properties. It has also been employed to reduce inflammation and alleviate symptoms of inflammatory conditions. Agaricus blazei mushrooms contain beta-glucans and polysaccharide protein complexes, which stimulate immune cells and enhance immune function. This helps increase resistance to infections. Compounds in Agaricus blazei have been shown to reduce inflammatory conditions such as arthritis and inflammatory bowel disease. Agaricus blazei mushrooms contain antioxidants that help protect cells from oxidative damage and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Research from multiple lab studies has found that Agaricus has an anti-fatigue effect. This seems to be related to one of the mushroom's polysaccharides, a compound that boosts the adrenal cortex, according to the research. Be careful when foraging for mushrooms yourself. They can be difficult to identify, and there are some poisonous ones. You can cook with Agaricus, but medicinal mushrooms may be best taken as supplements in capsules or tinctures. This allows better dosage accuracy. Please let us know in the comments if you have had any experiences using Agaricus blazei mushrooms. Thanks for watching, and take care of yourself.